What is the concept of Dream 100 and how you can create a hook story and offer? This is all we are going to discuss in day number 19 of One Funnel Away Challenge. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. And if you have not watched the earlier videos in this series, please go and watch them. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and do not forget to press the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's start the slides. So, power of storytelling in business. This is the first thing we will discuss in day 19. If you have heard Russell talking about anything, he tells the stories. Even he tells the stories every single minute. And his stories are so powerful, they are so engaging that you and me definitely can engage with the story and you will buy the product whichever he is selling or he is talking about. Similarly, in any business, storytelling is so powerful because when you speak story and when you relate your story with your product, you will not sound like salesy person. Your audience will connect with you, they will engage with your message, they will engage with your brand. Just think about any story you have heard in your childhood. That those some of these stories are still in your mind. The reason because it is connected with your emotions and they are still in your mind till this age. So see, if your story is so strong, if you can connect your story with your brand, with your message, with your services, with your product, then definitely you will get good audience and your audience can connect with your message and they will buy your product, your services, right? Because by telling stories, you can you can create a better understanding of your business. We are humans and we are doing business with human, we are not doing business with machines, right? And human understand the emotions. So if you take an example of any advertisement, on the first part they will create an emotional bonding with the audience by using their stories or the message. So first, if they can connect emotionally with the audience, then the second part will come as logic, right? We have already discussed this thing in previous videos that first you connect with the logic, the first you will connect with the emotions, then the logic, and this is how the sales happen. So think about your business, your product, your services, and how you can create a strong story out of it, and how you can deliver that with your message, and how you can generate more sales. This is your work, and this because you know your product better and you can create it by yourself. We'll talk about who is your customer and where are they. In previous slides or initial slides, we have discussed like who are our customer, who is your customer. This is very, very important. You can invest a lot of time in this. You can invest a lot of time to finding your dream customer because customer or prospect is everything. If you are targeting wrong audience, you will not get the result and you will get disappointed very soon and you can be out of business if you are targeting the wrong customer. So this who is very important. The second part is where are they? If, as I said, if you are targeting the wrong audience at wrong place, definitely you will suffer a lot. So now you need to find where is your customer and where they are congregating, where they are going, where they are getting engaged. So for example, suppose if you are spiritually grounded or if your product is related to spirituality, where you will find those people? You can find those people in church, mosque, temple, right? So these are the places you can find those people. Or you can find those people in some kind of magazine if they are following some kind of rituals they are doing. You can find those customers there. Promoting affiliate products, then definitely you can find those customers or your prospects in some places where all these influencers, affiliate marketers who are influencers, they will be engaging with their content. So you need to find out the places where your customers are congregating, and then you need to pitch in there, and you can find those customer, you can find those prospects there, and you can convert those prospects into the customers. Now your dream 100 list. So what is the concept of dream 100? So you need to first, you have your product, you have your services. Now you have already found out who are your customers, and also you found out where they are congregating. Now suppose if your audience is in Facebook. So suppose if you are an affiliate marketer and if you want to find your audience, where will you find it? First thing, if you're an affiliate marketer, search who all are the influencers in the Facebook, and they are giving value, and all the audiences who are consuming those content, they are your audience, because those all are affiliate marketers who are consuming the content of the creator, or you can say the influencer. So you can connect with those influencer, you can engage with their content. If possible, you can go and connect with them one to one. You can invite them in your interview, so that you will get the benefit of connection, and you will get a lot of their audience also, and you can sell those products to them, right? Apart from that, same thing happens with podcast and with Instagram, TikTok, Gmail, YouTube, Pinterest. So there are influencers in those areas who has huge audience, who has huge email list, who has they have huge email list, they have huge audience in their platform, and they have built those audience over the time. So suppose if they are promoting you, you will get the advantage of their audience, and their audience will be your audience, right? So you need to create a list of dream 100 people to whom you want to connect with, to reap the benefit of their audience. Okay, so there will be some methods where, like you can connect with them directly, like you need not to pay any money. You can connect with them, they can come to your show, or you can collaborate something. So by that way, those audience will be like, these will be the traffic you earn and work your way in. It means they will come to you, you need not to spend money for that, because you are collaborating with that influencer, and by this way you will get your audience. The second way will be, because not all the influencers will connect with you free of cost or without any reason. So sometimes you need to pay for them also. So you can pay for them, and again, if they are talking about your product, your services, you will ultimately get the benefit. To start creating dream 100 list for your product, think about your audience, to whom they are connecting, what content they are consuming. Are they following any magazine, any article, any podcast? So you can create a list, and you can follow those dream 100, and they will be a good benefit for your business, and they will promote your product, and your business or your services will grow with time. Hook, story, and offer, this is the base of any selling. Just imagine when you are scrolling your Facebook, you are scrolling YouTube, Instagram, whatever you are scrolling, and if you see something interesting, okay, so you just stop there, right? Those are called the hooks. So you need to create a hook for your business. Suppose if you are running an ad, or if you are having some, if you're posting your content, the first part of your content should be the hook. So someone is scrolling their mobile, they should stop when they see your ad, when they see your post. So there should be some hook in, or hook or headlines in your story, in your post, or in your message. And part will be the story. So the first part is done when someone stops by seeing your headlines, by seeing your hook. Okay. The second part is story. The story should be very powerful, that someone who is already watching your content, he or she should retain in your post for longer time, or in your video for longer time. After that, once your story is finished, you can offer them. So hook, story, and offer, this is very important concept. And when creating your sales letter, when creating your ad, or a sales copy, sales video, you need to have those three parts in your sales page. hook, story, and offer. Now examples of some hooks. You can see in the screen there are different hooks. So suppose if you are scrolling your mobile and if you see any of them, any of the pic, definitely you will stop for some time and then you will read whatever message they are delivering, whatever they are saying, whatever their products are. So similarly, this kind of hook you need to create for your business and you need to implement this in your sales letter or sales video. Now comes the assignment. So as we have already discussed, you need to create your dream 100 list. Okay, like suppose authors. Who are the authors? Who your audience is following? Which authors? So you need to create. You need to write the name. You need to find out search the names of those authors, and you need to. You can connect with them. You can contact them. Either they will promote your product either free of cost or maybe they will charge you. In Facebook you can again go and search dream 100 in Facebook, all the influencers which are promoting which are related to your niche and they can promote your product. Podcast, pick another platform. So those are the things you need to do in assignment. Again you need to find out the hook. What will be the hook idea number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to tell the story and you should have an irresistible offer. So this is all in the assignment you need to do. Apart from that, as always, we have a video of Jim Edwards and he speaks about how you can create a hook, story, and offers. And again, we have different resources for day number 19. So please go and watch them. Do not skip that. And if you have not taken one funnel away challenge till now, please sign up using my link. I will give you bonuses and you will get two physical books of Russell Brunson, and the cost of those books will be $40. So you can say like you will get that one funnel away challenge is only $60. And I'll see you later. Till then, take care. Bye bye.